Hello children, I hope you are doing very well at home. So this is our new block, block 4, unit 2. The name of the block is super senses and this is our part 2. In part 1 we have discussed about super sense and super sense of sight. In this part we will discuss about super sense of smell. So in this session we will come to know how super sense help to survive animals. So here our aim is students will be able to explain how super sense of smell helps animal to survive. So dear all, I want to say something before starting this session. Do you know about in 2011 research at a hospital in Germany showed that sniffer dogs were able to detect cancer in 71 out of 100 people just by smelling their breath. Isn't shocking? So, do you think about this that uh, animals like dog, bears, they have a very strong sense of smell? So this strong sense of smell is known as super sense. They are very helpful for human and also for them all. Like how can dogs detect cancer just by smelling people's breath while humans cannot? This is the main question, है ना? So this is the super sense of smell that help them to survive, that help dog to survive, that help bears to survive in their surrounding. So what is the need of super sense? Sense of smell, sense of sight. How do humans make use of this super sense that dogs have? What about bears? So what do you think about dogs and bears? They are having super sense and how this sense of smell is helpful for them. So students, dog have a super sense of smell. They can smell people and remember that smell for many days. They can also trace the path the person may have taken using the smell of the person. People use sniffer dogs to detect missing people, catch thieves, detect bombs, check luggage, etc. Bears have a big nose and the inside of the nostril is enlarged. This helps them to smell things from a longer distance. So, you come to know about many interesting facts like bears have a big nose. That's why it can smell very strongly, है ना? And dogs have super sense of smell because they can remember the smell for many days. So, which other animals have this super sense of smell? How is it useful to these animals to survive? Do you know other animals are there who have super sense? Yes, this is a mosquito. Mosquitoes are attracted to humans by their body odor and their exhaled carbon dioxide. You know, we all human exhale carbon dioxide and this carbon dioxide can be detected by the mosquito and they attract it toward the human. Next one, this is a snake. So can you see its tongue? Snake used to flicking their tongue so they can smell with the help of their tongue. This is the fact that snakes smell with their tongues. This is rat. An interesting fact is about rat is there that it can smell in both the direction at the same time. It can change the direction of its nostrils. These are nostrils and it can change its direction at the same time and it can uh, smell in different directions. And polar bear. Polar bears have strong sense of smell so it can catch its prey by smelling underneath the water. They have to find their prey underneath the water, underneath the ice, so they can find them very easily by the help of super sense of smell. So here students we come to know about some facts. Those are bears, mosquitoes can smell from far. Dogs they can smell and retain for long time. They can smell and remember the smell for long time. Rats. They can smell from different directions at the same time, as they can move their nostrils in different direction at the same time, and they can smell in different direction at the same time. Here this is the picture of dog, sniffer dog, and this is polar bear who is searching its food, and it sniffer dog. This is smelling some clothes to find people who is missing or other like explosive materials. Okay, so this is helpful for human also. So student, this is our content book, and here I am going to read this for you. Super sense of smell. The sense of smell helps animal find food and stay out of danger. Bears have the strongest sense of smell. One other fact is also there that African elephant has strongest sense of smell. A new research says that African elephant has strongest sense of smell. So here we are talking about bears, okay? So they have a big nose and the inside surface of their nostrils are enlarged. Dogs also have a much stronger sense of smell than humans. Bloodhounds have the keenest sense of smell among dogs. So I am going to share pictures of bloodhounds. So this is the picture of bloodhound. It can smell. It has keenest sense of smell among all the dogs. So this is helpful to find food, to find its shelter, to find thieves and other purposes. So mosquitoes are attracted to humans by their body odor, as we have discussed about this. Snakes smell with their tongue. How interesting fact is this? This is why they keep flicking their tongues in and out. Rats also have an exceptional sense of smell. They can move each nostril separately. This lets them smell from different directions. So students, this session is has completed now, and after this completion of the session we are able to solve our worksheet. But before solving our worksheet, there are some more facts I would like to tell you about them. As mosquitoes smell humans through their antenna to locate them. Rats also have a strong sense of smell. Their two nostrils can work independent of each other. This helps them to smell from different directions. Cats also have a strong sense of smell. The lining in the nostril which helps us to smell is much bigger in cats, as our lining is not so much bigger, but in cats it is bigger. Inside the nostrils linings are bigger, so they can smell very strongly. Super sense of smell helps animals survive better. It helps them to hunt for their prey. Yes, because we are going to know about the super sense of smell. So here, as we come to know about the super sense of smell helps animals survive better. So these all are what? These all are survival conditions. It helps them to hunt for their prey. They can hunt their prey very easily, है ना? Them to save themselves from their enemies or predators. And it super sense of smell help them to save themselves from their enemies, because they can smell them and they can find a protected area for them. It can help animals like dog, lion, tigers to stop wandering into a rival's territory or help it to find its way. So they can find their way and they will be protected from the enemies or predators. So here is your worksheet S2, and now we are able to solve this, and these answers are given to you. Write the name of the animals and complete the table. So the students, whose picture is this? This is polar bear, है ना? They can smell things from distance unlike humans. So they are different from human. In which way? They can smell things from distance unlike humans. How does it help the animals? It helps polar bears to hunt and catch their prey easily. So this super sense is very helpful for the polar bear to catch their prey and hunt their prey. This is the picture of a dog. Unlike human, dogs can smell things and people and remember the smell for many days. Yes, they can retain smell of any person, place or anything in their brain, and they can find whatever they want. Okay, so it can help dogs to hunt and save themselves from their predators. And the last one, this is the picture of snake. Unlike humans, snakes smell through their tongue. It helps them to catch their prey. You come to know about all the points here, and we just want to remember one point. There's that we are discussing survival conditions only, है ना? So these all conditions are survival conditions, so they can survive in a particular habitat, particular environment. Because if they don't get food, they will not survive. If they get hunt, then they will not survive. So they are having super sense. So next question is, what would have happened if human had the super sense of smell like the dogs? So what do you think about this? Okay, here your answer is, they would have been better detectors. It would have helped them to find and catch thieves easily. It would have helped them to detect bombs. It would have helped the police department too. So there will be no need of sniffer dogs to search any explosive, any mine, any other person, thieves, है ना? So we will be able to find anything we want. But this is not possible for human. So we will need for this purpose any sniffer dog. So I think you have understood all the things, all the topics in this session, and thank you all of you for watching this video. Okay, bye bye. In the next session we will discuss about super sense of hearing. Till then, bye.